Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to invert any chart on TradingView. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in TradingView, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Inverting a chart on TradingView is a useful feature if you want to view the price action from a different perspective, especially when you're analyzing patterns or conducting technical analysis. Now from here, all I have to do is go to the products and of course go to super charts and choose the chart of your liking. Now, once you are on the dashboard, all you're gonna do is right click on the active screen. Go to settings. Usually it was here on the scales and lines. If you don't have that because of the recent changes and updates, all I'm gonna do is you see the icon here at the bottom. That is the chart settings. Now click on invert scale. And there you go. You have already inverted the chart here on TradingView. Now, the thing is, inverting a chart can help validate support and resistance levels by observing how price interacts with these levels from a different perspective. Because certain chart patterns may appear more clearly or differently when the chart is inverted. Some traders sometimes invert charts to identify patterns that are less apparent in the standard view. Now, when you go back again to the setting here, if you click on the invert scale, it will revert back to its original position. Now, you see the shortcut for inverting scale is the Alt key plus I button. You see that? And inverting a chart, of course, can give you so much options in terms of the potentially biases that may arise from familiarity with a specific chart orientation. This can help, of course, in making more objective trading decisions, because inverting charts is useful when analyzing correlated assets and oppositions of pairs. For example, if you are comparing two assets that typically move in opposite directions, inverting one chart can align their movements visually. And after that, all I'm gonna do is click on save. And I believe that's it for today's video. Remember that inverting a chart is a straightforward and can be done with a few clicks. It's a feature that I like and allows traders to customize their analysis tools to suit their individual trading strategies and preferences. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.